front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Passwords app and entering your current passcode. Now select All at the top left corner and find your password you wanna remove by scrolling down, using alphabet on the right, or clicking on the search bar and typing in whatever you want to. After finding your password, click on it. Select Edit at the top right corner and hit Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!